Oh, it's cleaning. See, today we are going to try out some herbal body wax powder. It takes only 5 minutes. It has nice chocolate fragrance and it is 100% herbal and pain free. This comes with a brush and this is the powder. So first we need to make a paste, and now I have to add some water and we need to mix it well. Before using it, you make sure you don't wear any kind of jewelry and the target area should be very clean. So I have small hair in my hand. I think you can see it. So I'll just remove this. But I have got more amount of hair to show you clearly. Patch test is already done before a day. This paste can be used for face, body, hands, underarms, chest, bikini, anywhere. And we can't use it for damaged or infected skin. So we have to be very careful. So now we need to wait for 5 minutes. We need to remove it with a wet cotton cloth. We have to do it opposite direction of hair. It's removing. This is the result in my hand. I can see my 90% hair is removed. Yes, makes skin very smooth. Oh, it's cleaning. See?
It's painless.
Yes, it's working. See, 90% hair is removed. Little bit is here. But I think if you apply it 2 times, it will be 100% clean. The best part is painless. So after cleaning, you need to wash it and don't forget to moisturize.